Hello, welcome back to another 15-minute Friday. The obligatory pulling of my chair that I never do before I sit down or before I get started. So real quick before we get started today on our little 15-minute project, if you're enjoying the content of the YouTube artistic creators that you enjoy to watch, please give them a like and a quick comment. It can be something as simple as thanks for sharing. The views are getting low. And what's happening, we believe, is that with a decrease in comments or likes, the YouTube algorithm is not putting the content out for as many people to see. And there's so many artists, not me, I have a day job, but there are so many artists that this is their life and they would like to continue providing us with that amazing content. So if you feel so inclined to support them and maybe get things moving again for everybody, thumbs up, thanks for sharing, comments, ideas, anything would be greatly appreciated by everybody. I know it really would. Okay. That's my ask. Okay, so for today, I pulled out a few things. I got, so 15-minute Friday, what is it while I'm opening this? It is where we sit down and see what kind of awesome stuff we can make in just a 15-minute time period. A lot of times we don't have a bunch of time to sit down and do crafting. And so we don't, if we don't have an hour or 2 hours, we don't sit down and do it, but we don't need that long. We can manage in a short amount of time. If you just have 15, 20 minutes, sit down and create. It totally is possible. So that's what we do. That's what we like to show. So that's what we're going to do today. For today's project, I grabbed a few things. I got these scenes. These are Tim Holtz scenes. I got them on clearance and they're really cool. So I thought, let's make something with one of these. Pulled out some embellishments that we've made before. We make these and then I toss them in a things that are done pile and there they live. Got some stamps and some frames and some of the Tim Holtz field notes, little ones, and I don't know where this one came from, but a couple of Tim Holtz packets of ephemera. We've got our stickers close by, and of course our standard inks and scissors and daubers and whatnot. So let me take a peek at the time here. And let's get started. What are we at here? 3 minutes and 20, we'll say 3:30. We're at 3:30 now. Okay, 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Let's see if we can manage this. So, got a couple of pieces of cardstock. And let's pick a focal point. That's pretty. There's a fall, that. I want to make this kind of look like a museum. There's a river. But we want to have room for other stuff. Okay, so let's just pick one. Each one has a road. Let's go with a road. Which road do we like, guys? Oh my gosh. Stop trying to... Here, just go with the one that's on there. Okay, now... I'm thinking we'll position it kind of up here so we have room to do some other things. Let's pick some frames. And the frame's not going to cover the whole thing. And maybe we'll cut it down. Or maybe we won't. Maybe we want a circle frame. Maybe we do 2 frames. Maybe we do a circle frame and a square frame. Or do 2 square frames. I don't know. We got to figure it out fast though, don't we? 1 and 2. we're just gonna slap them both on. Why not? Why not? We could cut them in half and do it staggered, which of course we're gonna do because why wouldn't we? Okay, whoops, knocking stuff on the floor because we don't have time. All right, we need to make sure we ink our edges. Uh-oh, where are you, scorched timber? Here you are. We need a little space. All right, so we do not have a lot of time. We have 15 minutes. And what could you use this for? Well, I think you could give it as a greeting card. Greeting cards don't have to fold open. They can always, oops, I got two here. Hello. They can always, stop it. Stop it. I know I forgot what I was going to say. Okay, set that aside. Let's get these glued on. And you'll be able to see the background through a little bit, and that's okay. I'm not too concerned about the exact placement. There's one with a road and a tree and hair with the other side. I don't know why I did it on here instead of on here, but I did. No worries. We're just going to plop that right down. Let's go here. Let's get a lot of those flowers. Pretty. Now, I got something on there. I'm going to do a little bit of stamping. Oh, this is upside down. Ta-da! All right, well, I guess we're gonna go this way. Let's do some stamping. Let's get a little background going on here. I'm gonna round the corners just to keep them from bending. It just looks a little bit cleaner. Okay, so we said this could be a greeting card. What else could it be? It could be a journal card. You could even pop it. If you end up with something that you really love, there is no shame in popping that baby in a little frame and sticking it on your shelf with a little tiny, here, that's hanging over a little bit. Let's trim that. Put it in a frame and pop it on a shelf. If you love to look at it, put it where you can look at it more. I think that's a great idea. Okay, let's get some pretties here. Stamp block. How about, let's use this butterfly. I haven't used him in a while. Just pop him a couple of places. A lot of it will be covered, but that's okay. We're gonna have things peeking out. Let's do the bird. Oh, come on. Come on out, guys. What if he's just right there a little bit and overlapping a little bit? We about gonna go here. We ain't even gonna see that bird. About right there. There we go. And something round. And go here and about there. So let's go round up here in the corner so we'll be able to see it. And then maybe the rest of them we will do after we lay some things down. So we'll make sure that we fit them where we see them. We've got a decent amount of background stuff. Now, oh no, I lost one of my frames. Oh God, you have got to be kidding me. Is it under there? Oh, it was stuck. Gosh, we don't have time for this, man. don't have time. Let's just make a decision to put this guy up in the top. He'll be the top one. Go close to the edge. I'm not going to go in the middle. I don't want glue to show behind my picture. I'm going to get it close, but make sure we're not all the way to that rounded corner. Oh, that's not straight. Oh, come on. Please, please, please. A little bit of give. Oh, just a tiny bit. Oh. Maybe my card's not straight, or maybe my frame's not straight. Good enough. Shall we do a little, let's do a little overlap, but not enough that it shows through the back of this second picture. Oops, probably get up here. Okay. Maybe right here. Right now, how much time we got left? We're at 11, about halfway. What if we had some paper dolls that were visiting said museum? I've got a few in here. I don't know. Here, this lady's sitting. Perhaps she's sitting on the frame. She's visiting. Who else? This fine gentleman? Yes. Do we want her sitting here and him over there? Nope, 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 nope. She's gonna sit here. So let's do that. Let's ink her up. Get rid of that white core there. Same with him. They look lovely for their trip to the museum. I need some of the bigger paper dolls, but I'm just using these for now. We probably don't need anything, do we? No, we don't need it. All right, so she's going to be sitting right there. Let's plop him on there. Cute. All right, let's add some more numbers for our stamping. We're going to be a little bit quick because we need to. Not a lot of thought. We're just doing. Filling up some space. I think a figure 1 through 3 will look cute down here. Got a little juicy on the one. How about this one? I thought I would limit myself today to do one of a second generation. It'll be a little lighter. Limit myself today to what I'm going to use for stamps. I'm going to get one thing out. One thing. Okay, let's stamp on our frame and see how that looks. Cute. Up there. This is one of my favorites. And here. Maybe I shouldn't have stamped on the frame. Oh well, too late now. Already done. And then let's see. How about destination? Destination museum. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, super cute. Now what? Let's see how much time we have left. I think we're down to just a few minutes, and I think that's okay. 14. We got 4 minutes left. If my math is right. 3. We've done 11. Yeah. We can do it. All right. let's make a hole for our embellishment. And where do we want our embellishment? We could go here. That is going to cover the man. This is going to cover the picture, but I think that's okay. We'll do it clear in the corner. So we're set on little, so let's go ahead and just do little. There's that. Here are some little eyelets. What color do we want? We don't care. We're just going to pick one because that's what we're going to do. Because I am terrible at overthinking. We are going to just pick one because any one of them will look lovely if you can get a hold of it. Do a slow squash. So, it didn't go slow, but it went, and it didn't squash the front. All right, let's put this guy right in there. Hook him up. Is there anything? I feel like we need something over here in our last couple of minutes. What about a tab? That will be upside down. This one won't. That one. We're just gonna go with it, I think. You see, look at me still digging. Stop that. I don't want to cover up too much of what we've done. Let's put it there. And let's do this piece first. Where are you, glue? So we can see exactly where we want it to be. I don't want to cover too much. Let's leave it here so you can read destination. And look how pretty that paper is on the back. This is a piece from my thrift haul. Go right here to the edges as well. Let's plop that guy down. $17.33, you guys. It was like exactly. Oh no, we finished a minute early. Can you believe it? How's that? I think that's super cute. Can you believe? 14 whole minutes. And that is the beauty of using things that are in your stash. I make them, set them down, and never look at them again. Well, that's not true. I move them. Move them from here to move them to there. So I think, ooh, so fun. Oh, I love it. I want to make so many more. I've got more of these. I want to make more. I'm gonna. What a great gift. You know, we're coming up on Christmas, and maybe you want to give a gift card, but you don't want to, you know, put it in plain old boring thing. Add a little pocket, slip your gift card in, and give them this. Then there's a piece of art to go with it. I'm so pleased. This one, yeah, I don't know. I'm just tickled with myself. Uh-oh, I might be getting some arrogance going here. All right, well, anyway, I'll stop rambling about how great I feel. And like we talked about, please leave a comment. I love hearing what you guys think. I love just chatting with you guys. It's an amazing community, and I appreciate you all very much. I will see you next time. Happy Friday. Bye.